On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Hey, how'd you get in here? What the? What's up, mini truck? What the heck is this? You guys. And Mini, what do you want to be called, a rental truck? Or even worse, a loaner car? Get passed from friend to friend? Is that the kind of reputation you want? And you, only here for a couple days, already starting in. I have nothing against intervehicular relationships. I'm just saying, I think Dumpy's going to be a little bit upset. I mean, you've already been running around with Tiny Tonka. You know, it's just not fair to Dumpy, you got to tell him.
Fine, then I'll do it.
Dumpy! Dumpy! Oh man. A John Deere letter.
Dear Minnie, our spark is gone. I found another who appreciates my small ram. Have fun with Tiny Tonka. I'm rolling on. Dumpy.
This day's turning out great. Look like Dumpy hasn't been so innocent himself. Well, Minnie? You can't be towing your wheels out for every Grom, Crown Vic, and Carry. You gotta have more respect for yourself. They'll run over you. It's okay. We'll get through this together.
I mean, he's pretty hurt. I've tried to cheer her up.
Look what Jeffro dropped off. You will be the dump, Minnie. What do you think of that? Alright, Minnie, let's do a little night ride. Mail out some key tag winners.
See if we can find Dumpy.
LEDs, boy! Jeebus, the guy almost ran into the other guy. Crazies are out tonight. Oh, the crazies are out tonight. Get your own spot, Minnie. No, it's not handicap. Calm down.
A few moments later.
Mini truck! Mini truck tough. So Jeff at Jeffro's garage was commenting back on a comment I left on one of his videos for Tiny Tonka. And he did a voice to text. And he said, thanks MotoCheez. And you know what it came out as? Thanks moldy cheese. Man, that spell check, huh? Sometimes it's pretty accurate, isn't it? Moldy cheese. Darn. Out of fluid. Now, since Dumpy's gone, you're gonna have to start pulling your weight. We're gonna make you into a dump. We're gonna put that front hitch on for attachments, plows, Got a little crane that goes in a 2-inch. All that stuff. And you're going to become the all-in-one mini truck. Dumpy always had a little bit of an attitude anyway, didn't he? But I'm going to miss Dumpy. You're going to miss Dumpy, right? Can't stay mad forever. I'm sure he'll drop a letter when he gets somewhere. I don't know what you're mad about. You were no angel either. Yeah, right. I saw you, Minnie. Got my late Valentine's gift. Good night, Minnie. Happy Valentine's.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.
Dumpy, let's go fishing.